This is Newcastle Central Station. Back again at it. Let's have a look. This is Newcastle train station. This is the Central Station. This one is a Lima train. This one has just arrived from London, from King's Cross, London. The people are just alighting from the train. This is from King's Cross, London, to northeast of England, Newcastle. People are just alighting from the train. These ones are just boarding. Very soon they will leave. They will depart very soon. This is the central station of Newcastle. That's how making journey easy for people. Train makes journey so easy for people. This is Prince Noni reporting from Newcastle Central Station. Understand? People are moving. If they tell you how many people that this train carries, you won't believe. Carries a whole lot of people. A whole lot of people. As many as you can think of. This one is Lima train. That's the name of this train now. This red train, Lima. All the way from King's Cross, London. See, it's about departing again. People that are stopped in Newcastle are stopped. So very soon now it will be going to another train station. To be calling. They call it calling at another train station. So this is the exit. If you want to exit Newcastle train station, this is the exit side. Okay? Yeah. That's it. I'm bringing you the latest update. In case you are in UK, you want to make travel, consider Lima train. It's it's a very speed train. As you can see now, it's moving. You see, and it has like 10 coaches. No, this is a 15 coaches. 15. It's very long. 15 coaches train. You see, it's moving.